This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
So let's get started to learn how to use the mobile action tool by just going through and signing up and quickly adding an app and a competitor. Go to mobileaction.co, and once you're there, click on the orange sign up button, and the sign up is free. And Mobile Action is going to help make your app more visible. It does that through App Store Intelligence, App Store Optimization, and a ton of actionable insights that help from everything from ASO to App Analytics and a ton of other options. So over here, just punch in your email address, password, and then let's go ahead and sign up. Click Sign Me Up, and we're going to quickly onboard. I obviously don't develop these apps, but let me just show you how to track an app. If it's your app, punch it in here and it'll come up. We're going to follow ESPN. Click here. It'll show up on iOS. Android's down below, but we're going to go ahead and just use the iOS version. So it's adding it now. And let's track a competitor. In this case, let's do Yahoo Sports. And all you have to do is select that one. And then if you have an iTunes account, then you just add your iTunes. So then you can track a ton of additional stuff, including downloads, revenue, conversion rates, and many other things. If you don't have the iTunes Connect for that app, then it's okay. You can click here, go to Dashboard, and now you're in the tool. Pretty easy. You can go ahead and start to do things like keyword analysis, competitor analysis, download estimations, and recommended actions, which are some of the tools we'll go over through in this lecture series.